Good morning. Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Guess who came to see you last night?
Santa.
Santa Claus, that's right.
I see Santa Claus.
You want to go see what Santa Claus brought you? Want to get up and go see what Santa Claus brought? All right. Let's get up and get dressed.
I see my mustache.
All right. Hold on. Here comes Hayden. See what Santa Claus left in his living room.
He's like, why is everybody filming me? Wow. Oh, God.
What is it?
Huh?
What is that, Hayden? Thomas.
Thomas the train.
Santa Claus leave a Thomas the train for you?
He's like, wait a minute, what is this? A digger?
Yeah.
Dog. Hayden.
I don't know how that works. Let's see if we can figure it out. Oh, watch.
Oh my.
He's got it crammed up in there somehow. There's a.
Well, I don't know how you get it.
It's supposed to roll the other way. He was going
it's supposed to
uphill.
go- Wait a minute, Hayden.
That's why we
It's supposed to go this way. Watch. See what happens?
Oh, Hayden, look at that.
It goes this way, babe. Here, let's scoot this around a little bit. No, not up there.
Hello, Jenny. Good hand.
That's where the people walk. Train has to go under that.
Jenny, please.
Yeah. Some of these little accessories might be
Yeah.
a bit.
It says 3 and up. He ain't 3.
No.
Hayden.
Look at Daddy.
Hayden.
Oh,
Grandma.
That's not a hat. That's a stocking.
Hayden, look behind you. There's a digger there too, and all sorts of other
And
stuff.
never mind.
Did you call me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Kenny.
Would you look beside my bed on my side and bring the Santa hat?
that's that, Mommy.
This is. We're not gonna. That's Santa Claus on there. This is for Grandpa. We're gonna open these later.
You're supposed to put all the
Hey,
Hayden
come
up
here, bud.
front. You just can't stay out, can you? Huh? You can't.
Do you want him to open these for you now, or you want to wait until later?
That's his,
That's to you from Grandpa.
Oh.
Oh, this is for me. Hayden, come here. Let's give Daddy his present from Santa. Here. Take Daddy his Santa present.
Only 5 days.
So Daddy.
Only 5 days.
That's a cozy looking.
Wow.
Yeah, here, my son.
You wanna help Daddy open it?
Oh, look at oh, you fit him.
Is mine?
Come on, baby.
Blood going out too.
Is that it?
There. There you go.
What does Santa get for Daddy?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
What the
Christmas hat. Santa Claus.
Is that an iPod?
Yeah.
That's Santa Claus.
Wow. Huh. Is this from Santa?
It is. Can you believe it?
This is Daddy's iPod.
Yeah. Santa knew exactly what Daddy wanted.
I'll be darned.
No, don't play with that, babe.
Huh?
Do you want to play with your train?
My boy.
Yeah.
My boy.
Hey, look at that bulldozer behind you, Hayden.
Yeah. Loader.
Wow.
That's a man.
It's a man's.
That's a man?
This is the man's world. I think he's singing James Brown over there.
Oh no, but
Should ask Grandpa if you can you open that yet?
Yeah. Let's open that. Good. Can you open it? Huh? Good boy. Huh? Oh. Wow, those books.
Look at that, Hayden.
Velveteen Rabbit.
Wow.
Huh? See all these books? Let me show mine.
my dad.
Oh, wow. Look at all those books you can read. Wow. A Velveteen Rabbit. The Gift. Lots of good books. The Four Musicians. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. The Emperor's New Clothes. The Fisherman and His Wife. Stone Soup and King Midas. Wow. Lots of good books to read.
Hayden, you push the red button on the mine. There you go. Push it real hard. There you go. Do it again.
You got any batteries?
Uh-oh. What kind?
Double A.
It has to go the other way, buddy.
Is that what that runs on or something? I'll have to look.
Start it up. Yeah, that's our Topham hat.
Okay, Jenny.
Oh, she found our stockings.
Somebody did.
Yeah?
Kevin was.
Oh, you found them, Kevin? Okay. I can't remember where they were.
Where are Eric and Susan?
They have to bring them.
Oh.
Open.
Do you want me to open that for you? Okay.
Open it up.
Here, open that. You definitely need the train table. Can't get to everything. Put it on the other side. Oh my. Okay.
Get some batteries. I may have one back soup. Hey. Not to interrupt you, but it makes noise and moves.
Fun.
Yeah, back to the.
That one's name is Duck.
Thomas.
And it's Thomas. These are all Thomas's friends. This is Stanley, and this is Rosie and Thomas, and that's Duck.